Good morning, class 10th. Good morning, class 10th. Now, today we are going to proceed chapter number 4 Agriculture in Geography. We have already discussed about some of the topics like introduction of the chapter and types of farming. In types of farming, we have already discussed two of the types, primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Now today we are going to discuss about commercial farming. Commercial farming, it is undertaken to earn profits. Commercial farming has been applied to gain profits. This farming uses higher doses of modern inputs, that is the high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. The degree of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. Varies from one region to another. A crop can be commercial in one region and non-commercial in another region. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Odisha it is subsistence crop. Plantation is a type of commercial farming. In it, a single crop is grown on a large area with the help of labor. It cheap labor. It is an interface of agriculture and industry. Plantation cover large tracts of land, use capital intensive inputs with the help of migrant laborers. With the help of migrant laborers. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important plantation crops. A well-developed network of transport and communication connecting the plantation areas, processing industries and markets play an important role in the development of plantation. After that, cropping pattern. Cropping pattern means cultural popularity and physical diversities are also reflected in the agricultural practices and cropping pattern in India. Various types of food and fiber crops, vegetables, fruits and spices, etc. constitutes some of the important crops grown in the country. There are three cropping seasons in India, which are the first one Rabi, second Kharif, and third one Zaid. Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Important points related to these crop season are: some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. These crops are mostly grown in Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and UP. Availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western temperate cyclones helps in the cultivation of these crops. The success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan has been an important factor in the growth of these crops. After that, Kharif. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country and are harvested in September October. Import Some of the important Kharif crops are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Important rice growing areas are Assam, West Bengal, coastal region of Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, etc. In Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, three crops of paddy are grown in a year. These are Aus, Aman and Boro. So thank you for today. You have to read this. The third one, Jed, I would like to discuss you tomorrow.